Alright, what's going on, guys? It's Noah here with Custom RC Mods. Welcome back to a new video. Today we've got the Meilan M3 all mounted up on the Bloody Baron. It's all centered out, ready to go. 4-cell underneath, and the 10x7 prop on the Sunny Sky, 2216-81250. So let's go ahead and give this thing a launch. This 4-cell is half dead. I've been flying around here, but I forgot to start tracking. So not bad. So that's our downwind pass, and that's obviously going to be the fastest because you got the wind at the tail. So I'm just going to cruise back upwind to save battery power. And get all that altitude, just dump it all off to get the most speed out of it. Hopefully reach some terminal velocity, but okay, looks like that battery is pretty much dead, so hopefully we got 2 good runs in there. Plop it down. Looks like we've got 71.6. That's not bad on this half-dead 4-cell. It's pretty warm. I think I might have over-discharged it a little bit, but yeah, pressing this thing to its limits. 71.6 with that Meilan Mini GPS. Can't complain. We're gonna have to come back out here with a larger prop and a better mounting position that might be a little bit more aerodynamic and see what she can do. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.